Dan Nathan is making some moves in his portfolio, and one purchase, Dan, even left us surprised.
Yeah, you've never heard me say a positive thing about Robinhood. I bought that today, largely because we were sitting on the desk last night and we were looking at Coinbase, who was trading down 10% on a horrible guide and a horrible quarter. There was nothing good that any of us liked about it. Reversed, traded up, and I said to myself, look at this Robinhood thing. It's been flatlining here. I think it's kind of a one up, maybe three up, excuse me, maybe one down sort of scenario if you get that right. Again, in a squeezy market like this. That being said, I spent late spring buying, remember Qs and 2s?
Yeah.
QQQ and 2s, basically treasuries. I'm out of the Qs. I'm out of a bearish trade on yields, okay? I also bought things like PayPal, Netflix, Meta, things were down like 50, 60, 70%. I'm out of the Netflix. I'm out of the Meta today. I'm still long PayPal, Shop, okay? And I really like Snap here.
Shop is new.
Shopify.
Shopify is new.
That was about a couple weeks ago.
A couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how long do you think, you'd...
I mean, listen, some of the returns, I bought Meta a couple weeks ago and it was up 10% and like that, so some of these things are going to move really quickly here. Snap is a longer term thing. I think there's many gaps to be filled there. I think PayPal was down 80% when I bought it. I think that thing is putting in a bottom. The bottom might be in something like that. Shopify was down 8%. I really like that one here. And the hood is a bit more of a trade. If that thing goes from, 10.5 to maybe 13 or 14, I'd be out.
Could hood be a trade? Courtney, what do you think?
I'm a lot more cautious on hood here. Especially too, I think they really need to have better recurring revenue streams. I think they need to see a lot more people come to their platform right now, and I think we just aren't seeing that. So maybe it's a short-term move.
Yeah.
As a longer-term
this has nothing to do with fundamentals. I mean, this is literally the market that we're in. I mean, that's really what it has to do
On a day when you see the meme stocks, and I say that jokingly, the meme stocks rise, ARK Innovation ETF rise so sharply, that's the kind of trade that goes higher. Can you be in that sort of trade, Bonawyn?
The only solution is to trade it. I don't think it's currently investable in this particular market. I understand the setup, though. It is one of those squeezy names that hasn't had the bounce that you've seen of a lot of other names. And I mentioned at the top of the show, Norwegian Cruise Lines and Coinbase. What positive news came out of those? And those were up both double digits today. So I get it. Might as well kind of get in on the trade while you still have an opportunity to do so. But he said it 3 times. He's trading it. He will be nimble, and he'll likely be out. I'm going to call before that $14 level.
Okay. What do you say, Guy, about having a long time to sell a rally? You don't have this long to sell. What's that saying that it's kind of catchy? So it's not catchy enough.
It's the great Louise Yamada who took her cue from the great movie This Is Spinal Tap. The longer in space, the greater in outer space, or something or to that effect. I'm not really sure. Market doesn't give you that much time to buy the lows or sell the highs. And go back and look at Shopify, by the way. We actually talked about this on the show. Remember, they had layoffs and the stock traded down. Next day they were reporting earnings. The stock actually traded down to 29. Next day it was 33. We said that is a tell, Melissa Lee. And the stock has been off the races ever since. When it gets to 10 times revenue, you sell it. It'll make it a $60 stock. And by the way, I'm sure we're slow. We are light on time here, but what year was that picture of Dan taken? I mean, can you do it? Can you put that up in the control
2008.
room? That's the most absurd thing I've ever seen. Look at that thing.
So youthful.
Looks like he's in middle school.
So optimistic, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed.
It was for options action.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, what, 14, 15?
2008.
Yeah.